Hi, Jamia. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. It is time for reading. It's Red Group Reading, and today's story is called A Bell. So go ahead and get your whiteboard out for me, and you need your page 31 in your reading packet. Okay? A bell. Let's write down our keywords. Our first one is tell, and that is T-E-L-L. Tell. T. Let me break that down for you. Consonant, vowel, double vowel. Double consonant. My bad. Double consonant. T, E, O. L, L, tell, tell, tell. Tell your mom wonderful things? I hope so, because your mom is wonderful as you are. The next word is bed, and that is spelled B-E-D, bed. And I'm going to tell you something about this word. If you ever have trouble knowing how to write a B and a D, if you look at this word bed, it almost looks like a bed. We could draw a little pillow up top here, and we could draw some covers on it. It almost looks like a bed, like the head of a bed and the foot of a bed, doesn't it? That's how I always remember which way my B and my D go. All right, bed. But this word is bed. It's got consonant, vowel, short vowel, consonant. B, E, D, bed, bed. The last word is man, and we've talked about this one in English, the plural of man. You have one man, you have three men. M, E, N. And you've got consonant, vowel, consonant. Men, M, E, N, men, men. Men means more than one. And here we are at our prediction. Our prediction, you're going to look at your clues, which are your title, a bell, the words, tell, bed, and men, and this picture over there. And you're going to write a prediction for me. It's okay to draw this. You can write it or draw it, your choice. Take some time, pause the video, get that down, and then come back and we'll read the story. Okay? Get it? Got it? Good. Go. How'd you do? I bet it's wonderful. I can't wait to see it. All right, it says read the story. Here we go. A bell tells time. Bells tell when school starts. Bells tell when lunch starts. Bells tell when school ends. Bells ring on ships. They tell men and women the time. A bell rings to get them out of bed. A bell rings when they will be fed. 10 bells tell them when the president comes. Did you know that? I had no idea. 10 bells tell them when the president comes on the ship. Very interesting. I'll have to ask my son about that. That's very cool. I liked that story. I liked the bell. Have you ever had a bell or seen a bell? I know we had one in the classroom that ding, and that would mean we'd have to freeze and everybody pay attention. You guys did pretty well with it. Bell. Let's turn to the back and look at our choices. Our choices for number 1. Bell, bed, or 10. Okay, and the question says, a blank tells time. What tells the time? Bell, bed, or 10 tells time? Which of those tells time? Bell, bed, or 10? Number 2, men, bell, or bed? And question 2 says, a bell rings to get them out of blank. To get them out of men, to get them out of bell, or to get them out of bed? Circle the one that makes sense to you. And number 3, your choices are tell, fed, or 10. And here's the question. Blank bells tell them when the president comes. Blank bells tell them when the president comes. Let's read our choices. Tell bells tell them when the president comes. Fed bells tell them when the president comes. Or 10 bells tell them when the president comes. Circle your choice. And let's do our choices for number 4. Men, fed, tells. Men, fed, tells. And number 4 says, a bell blank when school ends. A bell men when school ends. A bell fed when school ends. Or a bell tells when school ends. Number 5 says, what do bells tell men and women on ships? My clue word might be ships on there. So let's look back in the front and see if we can find the word ships. Ships is spelled S-H. Let's find that word, ships. S-H-I-P-S. That's our clue word. Ships. Oh! There's the word ships. Right there. My birds are acting up. Ships, there it is right there. It says, bells ring on ships. They tell men and women the time. A bell rings to get them out of bed. A bell rings when they will be fed. 10 bells tell them when the president comes. What do bells do? They get them out of bed. They tell them when it's time to eat. And it tells them when the president comes. So any one of those is a good answer. And you can have Mom write it on your board for you. And then you will copy it back on this, on the back right in here. Okay? Copy it. Okay? But our last part asks us to look at our word family words. So let's do that today. The first word, or the first list is tell, bell, del, fell, or quell. And these words are spelled T-E-L-L, B-E-L-L, D-E-L-L, F-E-L-L, and Q-U-E-L-L. So these words are E-L-L words. Okay? And if we look at our next list, it says bed, fed, red, jed, and led. And these are spelled B-E-D, F-E-D, R-E-D, J-E-D, and L-E-D. These are the E-D family. Looks like that. All right. And the last one says men, ten, zen, hen, or den. And these words are spelled M-E-N, T-E-N, Z-E-N, H-E-N, D-E-N. These are the E-N family. Are you ready for your secret word of the day? Let me think. I'll give a name up today. Let's go. The name J-E-N. This word is Jen. Which list is it going to fit in? Which family? The E-L-L family, the E-D family, or the E-N family? Let's look at the last two letters, E-N. And there it is. The N family. Did you get it? Very good. Good job, Jamia. You're making quite a bit of progress. I'm happy. I'm happy for you and all the great things you're doing. Wish you a great day, and I will talk to you tomorrow with more math and reading. Mwah. Bye-bye.